You will need the following equipment to become a successful YouTuber. Stay tuned, guys. Hi guys, it's me again, MJ, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new on this channel, please don't forget to hit the like and share and subscribe my channel, and please hit the notification bell so that every time when I have new upload, you will be notified. So for today's video, guys, I'll be talking about the equipments that we need to have when you want to become a YouTuber. Number one equipment is the camera. This is the very important one. You need to have a camera. Not the expensive one, but a camera that you can use to record yourself while doing the vlog or while doing the tutorial. So it is very important to have camera. And number two, you need to have a microphone. If you will just depend on the microphone on your camera, sometimes you are so far away from your camera, so the voice is not that clear. That is why you need to have a microphone to enhance your voice, so that your voice will be clear. So it is very important to have a microphone. You need to have an external microphone to record a quality audio. And number three, you need to have a tripod or a gimbal stabilizer. If you don't have a gimbal stabilizer, then you can use a tripod. You just put your camera on the tripod and it will not be moved. Unlike when you are holding the camera, of course, it's not stabilized. So that is why tripod is very important, or a gimbal stabilizer is very important in making a video. So number three equipment, camera and a gimbal stabilizer. These are the great tools for stabilizing your photos and videos. Number four, the lighting. It is very important that your lighting is good. When you record a video, there must be a good lighting. That is why it's very important to have a light so that your setup will be bright and your video will be clear. It's not dark. So lighting is very important. Number five, you need to have video editing software. It is very important for you to edit your videos. Don't upload the raw videos. Try to edit it so that it will be a good quality video. So you need to edit it, and if you have this video editing software, it helps you to upload a very quality video on your channel. And also you need to have a laptop so that it's easy for you to store, and it's easy also for you to edit your videos. Doing YouTube on your laptop or whatever you will do some editings, then you can do it on your laptop. But nowadays, you can use your cell phones. You can use your Android mobile cell phone or your iOS cell phone. Then it is a good tool also. Like me, I'm just using my cell phone in recording, in editing, and in uploading my videos. So that is why you can also have cell phone. If you don't have these things, if you don't have laptop, then you can use your cell phone to edit your videos. You can have your laptop. If you don't have your laptop, then you can use your cell phone. In the cell phone, you have already your camera, and you can also download some apps for like application for editing your videos. You can use your cell phone. And for me, I'm just using my Android cell phone, and it works for me to do this YouTube thing. If you wanted to become a YouTuber, then you need to have those equipment so that you will be successful in doing your YouTube channel. And guys, please click this video. I will put the link down below so that you will see this video and it might help you in doing your YouTube channel. This is about how to use our mobile phone in making a video. So please watch it, and I hope it will help you. So those are the equipments that you will need when you wanted to become a YouTuber. So I hope it helps you, and I hope you can have those equipment. So if you wanted to become a YouTuber, just have those equipment, and it will help you to have a good quality video. So that's all for today's video. Hope you learned something. And if you learned something, please don't forget to hit the like and share and subscribe my channel, and please hit the notification bell so that every time when I have new upload, you will be notified. And as I always say, guys, live life to the fullest and be happy always, and God bless us all. See you next time on my next video. Bye.